Hey guys, welcome back to Carib 21 Network, wherever in the world you're watching us from. So today I want to talk about IShow Speed and the Caribbean Tour. And trust me, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, SVG, turned up yesterday. And now people are asking, is St. Vincent and the Grenadines the party capital of the Caribbean?
Or here in St. Vincent and Grenadines, baby! Let's go! Let's go!
When we don't roll alone. Anywhere that we go, you feel I'm moving every with me. With me. So when we come to the
Now, for anyone that's been watching Carib 21 for the past 16 months, heading into 2 years, know that I'm a Vincent Jamaican. My wife is from St. Vincent and the Grenadines, and I am from Jamaica. And actually, our first video, our first vlog on the channel was shot in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Our first viral video was in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. So yesterday when we were lining up to watch this live streaming from St. Vincent, it was something that we were anticipating, and my wife and I, we were very excited about it. And to be honest, when we heard that it was going to be a double stream and it's going to be St. Lucia and St. Vincent after, we were a bit disappointed because St. Vincent and the Grenadines, in my opinion, they present better in the day. I thought that they would have showcased like the La Soufrière, they would have showcased Dartview Falls, and they would have done some scuba diving because the coral reefs in St. Vincent are some of the best in the world. But the way things turned out, eventually we could not have anticipated that it would have turned out so good because, as I said, in my opinion, I believe that St. Vincent and the Grenadines, the beauty and the culture and everything about St. Vincent and the Grenadines presents better in the day. So the way the organizers and how they pulled off that night event, that was such an amazing thing to see. And I must say that Skinny Fabulous so far is the best host that we have seen in all of this Caribbean tour so far, from Trinidad to St. Lucia to Grenada. Skinny Fabulous did an amazing job, and trust me, St. Vincent and the Grenadines brought the energy. It was like a carnival-like atmosphere, like Vincimas, and to see the amount of people that turned out in Kingston, trust me, like I was shocked. Because as I said, going into this, when we saw how Trinidad and Tobago kicked off everything with this Caribbean tour, and people were asking the question, which other island in the Caribbean can bring the energy that Trinidad and Tobago brought? People were saying, look, it's just unfortunate that they started with Trinidad and Tobago because Trinidad and Tobago brought the high energy and nobody else in the Caribbean can match the Trinidad energy. But trust me, what we saw last night in St. Vincent and the Grenadines in Kingston, that was like a historic event. The crowd turned up. And as I said, they party like it was, you thought it was Vincy Mass, but it was just amazing to see the people, Vincy people in the street of Kingston just celebrating.
St. Vincent and Grenadines! Turn around! Turn around! Turn around!
Get ready, 2, get ready, 3.
Let's go! 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 Come back! Come back! Come back! Come back! Come back! Come back! Let's go! Let's go! That was lit. What if I tell everybody to do a backflip?
And yes, I'm sure about 80% of the people that showed up in St. Vincent and the Grenadines had no idea who IShow Speed is, because IShow Speed is a young content creator, a young streamer. So a lot of people would not know him. And people are wondering, what is the value of this to the Caribbean? Why are people in the Caribbean making such a big deal about this 21-year-old young man, treating him like a rock star? But he just came off a successful African tour, 20 African countries in 20 days. And I stated it before, this is a sponsorship, a joint effort between IShow Speed and Expedia, the biggest online travel agent in the world. And this, what we saw yesterday, with less than 24 hours, over 4.8 million people viewed what was happening in St. Vincent and the Grenadines and St. Lucia. And that is something that you cannot pay for when you talk about the tourism industry in the Caribbean, especially for smaller islands within the Eastern Caribbean that don't have the massive budget to promote their islands, to pay millions of US dollars to promote their islands. To have 4.8 million people in less than 24 hours, that is an amazing thing for the island of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. And if 1% of the people that tuned into that stream saw St. Vincent and the Grenadines for the first time, and they are like, look, wow, we are interested in this island, this could be a big deal for the tourism industry in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. So as I said, this was a big win for the island, and a lot of people turned out. And Vincent, trust me, Vincentian turned up and they showed out for their islands. And now people are asking the question, can any other island match the energy, bring the energy of the people of St. Vincent and the Grenadines? So sound off in the comment section and let me know your thoughts on what took place in St. Vincent and the Grenadines with the IShow Speed Caribbean tour. Were you surprised of the energy that we saw the people of St. Vincent brought in Kingstown? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Here at Carib 21, I'm on a mission to showcase the vibrant culture and the breathtaking beauty of the Caribbean while showcasing our culture and what is trending. If you want to support me on this mission, please subscribe. And if you also want to support, you can hit the comment section and buy me a cup of coffee. In order to buy me a cup of coffee, you can follow these instructions. Just click more. You will see the link to buy me a cup of coffee. Click the link. You can purchase 1 or 2 cups of coffee, and you'll be helping me to fulfill this mission. Thank you.